It was really Aaron's vision. I mean, I was a young person. I mean, he was young also, but he was the one who had gone through his whole epiphany in McGill and as a graduate student in Yiddish. And I was really fulfilling his vision. However, the part that was exciting for me is that I was also young and energetic and cared a lot about the future of a Jewish life that wasn't like what we had been handed. Aaron and I both shared that. We felt like the Judaism that both of us grew up with was, kind of insipid, and that we wanted to be really creating a different Judaism going forward. And we understood that Eastern European Jewish life provided some essential truths and teachings that we needed to make sure were present. He often said, and because I came from an Orthodox background, I also had a lot of access to traditional Jewish texts that Aaron didn't have quite as easy an access, so that I was able to bring that to the conversation and to our understanding of Judaism a little bit more. But he was so creative, and part of his creativity, which I have really tried to adopt in my own life, is that his response to new ideas then, I mean, we were very young then and we had no idea of the limitations. We would come up with our new ideas and he would constantly say, let's figure out how to do it. Let's figure out how to do it. There were all different ideas that we both had, I had, he had, and some of them worked, some of them didn't work. He was fearless about making mistakes. And I was in awe of that. And he also could make mistakes and then get right back up and kind of shake it off and move on to the next thing and try another project, no less energetic or enthusiastic about what that next project would be. And we had no money. We had no money. We did a lot of schnorring, and in the early years, it was not easy. The traditional Jewish resources did not see the Yiddish Book Center or Aaron as a safe bet.